So Abdullah, I have a startup, okay, and I'm looking for IaC profiles, and I'll start this process. What kind of profiles should I look for?
Right. So broadly speaking, there are two profiles, right? So there is pure DevOps and SRE, and there is the shift left model that we discussed about, where the service ownership is with the software devs for operationalizing the applications itself, right? So this depends on the stage that the startup is in, right? And if we are moving from very early stage, like maybe some manual SRE based stuff is okay, but moving forward where you're going to a mid to a growth stage, right? That's where the mindset of shifting left comes into picture. And that's where you need software developers who have the right mindset, that they have to do the operations for their service as well, which is enabled and powered by IaC and different technologies that exist to actually run your services in a robust way. So SREs and software devs with the DevOps mindset are the two profiles, and the later is the one that is the preferred approach and increasingly the in-demand skill set in Silicon Valley and across the world as well, where there's a cross between pure software dev and the DevOps.